ricochet and hit the water tank, put a hole in it.
It didn't do nothing.
Let me shoot it, Daddy. Let me shoot it. Oh my God. Is a bullet bouncing off?
I think it is.
I don't know.
Damn, you was a long way off.
I was right on it.
No, you
You was
wasn't.
that far behind it. My God.
No, I'm putting this thing right on it.
Put a little bit above it.
Yeah, watch where you point that damn thing. Hand it here.